Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavad, Assistant Professor, ADS Department, Subject Code AD3391, Subject Title Database Design and Management, Unit-5. The topic is CAP Theorem. What is CAP Theorem? The CAP Theorem states that a distributed system can only guarantee 2 out of the following 3 operator properties at any given time. That is consistency, availability and partition tolerance. Consistency: every read receives the most recent write or an error. Availability: every request receives a response even if it is not most recent data. Then partition tolerance: the system continues to function despite network partitions. In essence, no distributed system can achieve all 3 properties simultaneously. This constraint forces system designers to make trade-offs based on their use case and requirements. The components of CAP theorem: consistency, availability, partition tolerance. Consistency ensures that all nodes in distributed system reflect the same data at any given time. For example, if one node updates a value, other nodes in the system should reflect that updated value immediately. Example: traditional relational databases like MySQL prioritize consistency. Availability ensures that the system always provides a response to user request regardless of the state of individual node. However, the response may not always reflect the most recent data. Example: system like DNS ensure high availability even at the expense of providing slightly outdated data. Partition tolerance. Partition tolerance ensures that the system continues to operate despite communication failures between nodes. Network partitions caused by hardware failure or connectivity issues are unavoidable in distributed systems. Example: modern distributed databases like Cassandra and Mongo database prioritize partition tolerance. The implications of CAP theorem. The CAP theorem implies that designers must make trade-offs between consistency, availability and partition tolerance. CP, that is consistency partition tolerance system, focus on consistency and partition tolerance but sacrifice availability. Then AB, that is availability and partition tolerance systems, focus on availability and partition tolerance but sacrifice consistency. CA, consistency availability system, focus on consistency and availability but cannot handle network partitions. In reality, partition tolerance is often a requirement for distributed systems, forcing a choice between consistency and availability. Trade-offs in CAP theorem. Choosing between consistency and availability, the decision and priority. Consistency availability depends on the use case. Consistency-centric systems, used in systems requiring strict correctness such as financial transactions or inventory management. Trade-off may be unavailable during network partitions. Availability-centric systems, used in systems prioritize uptime over strict correctness such as social media feeds or coaching layers. Trade-off may serve outdated data during network partitions. Thank you.